How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I got prize mail, y'all, from Lila Scruffy. She had a drawing. She had a by invitation only giveaway. And if you weren't invited to participate, then you couldn't enter. So this is a second drawing. Somebody else won and they didn't claim their prize. So she drew again and picked my name. So if this is a consolation prize, boy, I'd like to see the first prize. Wow. Let's get to this prize, y'all. Okay. This was on top of the box of goodies. It's a 3D, I don't know if y'all can see this. It's a 3D placemat. And as you, well, y'all can't see it on camera, but it looks like it moves. There's an owl on it, and it looks like it moves, but you can't see it. It's not picking up on camera, but it's really pretty. And it looks like the flowers are just lifting off of here. No, y'all can't see it. So that's just one of the items. Look at this, a wall hanging. Ain't this pretty? This is really pretty. And it's a neutral color, so it will go with any decor. I like it a lot. Very nice. And she packed the box so nice and neatly. Of course, I've been all up in it. And I don't know how she got all this stuff in the box. I really don't. Okay. Here's like a Birdcage Tealight holder. Let me put this back on here. And this is going right up on my plant stand. The plant stand is white and it's made out of this wire. Look at this. Ain't this nice? I think this is a real candle. There's no candle in here. Okay, I'm gonna put one of those candles. I'm gonna get a candle from Dollar Tree that you press a button and there'll be a little flame on it. So that'll be cute. Because I don't have open flames up in my house. I don't burn candles. I do wax melts and stuff like that. This is so cute. Very, very cute. I like it a lot, a lot. Something wrapped up. She wrapped stuff so nicely. Look at this, y'all. Hello, my love. It's pink. It's that rose gold. The gold on the back, gold glitter. And by it being pink on this side, it looks like a rose gold. Very cute. And I hang doodads and stuff up in my house. Stuff like this. Very cute. Okay. There's something else wrapped up. Got good weight to it. Okay. It's another Tealight holder. It says happy. And it's heavy, y'all. Look how thick that glass is. Okay, I remember when she hauled this. It was so cute, and I can't ever find stuff like this at my Dollar Tree. This is a lip gloss. Look like a donut. Look at that. I wonder if it's scented. Strawberry scented. Isn't that cute? Here's something else super cute. Now, what is this? Lipstick-shaped fluorescent pens. Wow. These are ink pens, y'all. Let me open this. Fluorescent pens. Are they ink pens or what? Or markers or what? Look at that. Look just like a lipstick. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Let me open this. Let me tearing it up. Oh, it's a marker, like a highlighter. Very nice. Okay, that ain't coming out. So it's 3 in the pack. It's pink. There's that orange and like a turquoise aqua. Very nice. She likes cute stuff, and I do too. Oh my. Handmade fruit soap in the mango scent. Look at that. Look at that, and it smells good. Soap on a rope. Here's something that looks like a lemon, but it's actually shea butter hand cream, and it's lemon scented. Let's see. Oh, wow. Get this little thing on here. Oh my goodness, look at that. It smells so good. Let me see. Putting this back on it. And it's so cute. Very cute. Oh. Not greasy at all, but it is emollient. Look at this. Apply over body when skin feels dry. Repeat as necessary. Keep out of reach of children. Ain't this the cutest? Look at that. Cute overload. Mike and Ike lip balm in the Paradise Punch scent. I want to say flavor. Candy lip balm, butterfly kiss. Look at that. In the shape of lips. Look at that. Very cute, yeah. Very, very cute. Okay, what else? Here's a lavender scented bath bomb. Smell it. Even though I know what lavender smells like, and I do like it, it's a calming, relaxing scent. I can't smell it. But anyway, this is something I'll probably give to one of my granddaughters. I can't get in no bathtub, y'all. I can get in it, but I won't be able to get out. So, this is very nice. Nice, 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 nice. Here's some, what does it say? Trying to tell you the name of the brand. I can't see it. SM. Well, I can't see the brand name, but it says SM setting spray. Because after I put on my makeup, I'm supposed to set my face with this. And this is something I'm always scared to do. I got some setting spray in there. I'm scared to use it. Because after I set my face, y'all gonna see me do this. It's just like when you open up a can of biscuits and anticipation, waiting for that pop. Oh, let me do it again. Woo! Okay. It has a nice, pleasant scent. And it's called, it says, I can't read that. Misty Natural Setting Spray. Still trying to see the name of it. Smoke. I'm gonna try. Very nice. Whew. That's refreshing. But I asked a complete nut when I set my face with this. Okay. She got stuff tucked up in stuff. What is this? A little tiny pedestal dish, y'all. Look at that. And it has a heart in it. Thank you so much. This is cute. Very cute. You know, just the thing to put in here. Okay, I always forget to take off my lashes at night, and then it'll hit me like 2 in the morning. I still got these lashes on. So, my fake lashes can go right in this dish. Because usually I have to get up, go to the room where I put my makeup on, and put my lashes where they're supposed to go. It's going to be on my bed stand table, my nightstand. Sitting right there, waiting for my eyelashes. Is that ghetto or not? This is so cute. And it's glass. Very cute. And something else wrapped up in here. Wow. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is glass. It's like the shape of a quotation mark. Hello, gorgeous. This is nice. Thank you so much, Lila. Oh my goodness, I've seen her haul these beautiful bags. Look at this. Look, I love weekends. Oh my goodness. Nice sturdy canvas bag. It has a bottom in it, so it can flatten out. This is beautiful. Thank you. Nice sturdy straps with these big old giant grommets. Look at that. Nice sturdy bag. Oh my goodness. And this was a second drawing winner prize. And as she was showing some of the gifts that people would get, and she said nobody has a choice on what they're going to get. She would pick and choose who gets what. It was totally her discretion. And I was eyeing this. I said, well, if I win, I'd be happy to get this. Look at this, y'all. Hello, Spring. It's a bicycle and all the beautiful flowers. Wall decor. I'm not sure if it's a window cling or not. Wall decor. Okay. I'm going to put this up. I like this a lot. A lot. I'd have been happy just to get this here. For real, for real, for real, for real. I thought it was so cute. Time I saw it. Oh my goodness. Very, very cute. Oh my goodness. Look like I hit the jackpot. Yeah, I got the best honeys in the world. Lila, I want to thank you so much. I want to thank Scruffy too. So I'm sure she had some say into what you were giving out. Scruffy is her dog. And she calls her diva Scruffy. But anyway, I want to thank you so much. I am so grateful. I like everything up in here. And I will use everything except for the bath bomb. I can't get out the bathtub, so I'm a shower person. Okay. Once again, I want to thank you. I just went out and got the mail. Thank you so much. And I want to thank all of my honeys for watching. I want to thank my honeys for their support. Thank you very much. Like I said, I got the best honeys in the world. Well, thanks again, Lila. And you be blessed. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Give me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to leave a link to Lila RC's. I don't know why I want to call her Lila Acre. Her name is RC. A-R-C-E. I'm going to leave a link to her channel. She has a beautiful YouTube channel. She doesn't get on as much as she used to before she got sick. But she's recuperated now. So I want you to show her some love. Go to her channel and show her some love. Because she's the most giving person I know. For real. Okay. Thanks again. Y'all be blessed. Okay. Bye. What can I hold up? I'm going to hold up this here. Y'all know me and my thumbnails. Kind of a glare. Okay, that's good. Bye for real now.